how to add an assignment, a test, a quiz, and then how to link it to your gradebook. So find out wherever you want to put it, right? So I'm just in Unit 1, upload and create. So you can upload a file, video, create a file, add an assignment, checklist, discussion, quiz, survey. I'm just going to add a new assignment. We'll say test assignment. Whatever type of submission you want. So I just hit file submission. You want to unhide it from users. Whatever the instructions are, hit save. Okay, from here you can add attachments if you want. You can set the due dates right here. Require it automatically, manually, or not required. Any kind of release conditions, which I never do release conditions. Exemptions if you want to exempt certain groups. And then this piece right here, add a grade item. So how many points is it out of? Let's say 20 points. And then if there's a grade item already in the grade book that you want to put it under, great. If not, hit the plus button. And you can either do a numeric grade or select grade. So obviously most of ours are numeric. And this is test assignment. And then, so that's the file name and then your short name that's going to show up for your students and yourself in your gradebook. And then whatever category you want to put it in. So I, like I said, always have my gradebook set up into required to pass and required for 61% to 100%, or you can put it in a unit. So let's put this in the required 61% to 100%. Description if you need a description, grading, maybe you want to have 20 points. You can exceed those points if you want to give them extra credit in that, or just leave it 20 out of 20 could be the max score. Is this a bonus item or not? And then if you want to exclude it from the final grade calculation, you can check that box. And then the grade scheme should default to whatever you have your grades defaulted to. If not, then you just go down and find Insight School of Oregon, Painted Hills, grade scheme. You can hide it from users. You can have a start date, an end date, have it displayed in the calendar if you want. So I always just do, right now, I just have an end date. I don't have a start date because I want my kids to be able to see everything all the time. Display it in their calendar as the end date or not, right? That's up to you. And then hit create. So grade item successfully created. So now we can go to the grades tab to check that. Maybe if it loads. So remember the category that I put it under was the 61 to 100%. So here's the optional assignments. I'm going to go to my Manage Grades tab here, see if I can find it. There it is. Test assignment number 1. So you can reorder them by going up to the More Actions tab and reorder it if you want to reorder it. So under required to pass, right, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to move this to, let's say, my second assignment and hit save so that it's in with my Unit 1 stuff. Right, so there it is. And it's available until September 22nd. And then you can go back to your tools and to the assignments and make sure it's there, right here. Test assignment You can view submissions, edit submission, or edit assignment, hide from users, manage exemptions, etc., etc. And if you want to categorize it, you can bulk edit and move it under whatever category you would like to put it under. So for us, we want to put it in Unit 1 because that's what the date is right now. But like I said, you can move it to any unit you want. Hopefully that helps.